All right, so we're going to go back to our view, and the way we're going to position this first before we have our CSS is we're going to add the image, and then we're going to add the body. Now, something you might have noticed here is that there's no indicator in this post as to who the author is or when this post was created. Both of those things are pretty standard to add to a blog entry. So what we're going to end up doing is getting a second iteration of this wireframe that includes some information about the author and the date. And so we'll come back to that in a moment and add it in. All right, I'm going to jump back to our view, and now we're going to add the image and the body. So first, we'll go to Fields and click Add, and I'm going to do a search for image. Okay, and we're looking for this content image that appears in Node blog entry. We'll check this and click Apply All Displays. We don't want to create a label, so we'll uncheck that. The formatter is going to be image. The image style, if we check this, we're going to want to use blog entry. Now, this is an image style that we created earlier that we decided we were going to share between the individual blog post page and this blog home page. So we'll check that. It resizes the image to about 250 pixels wide. Let's go ahead and link the image to the content this time. It makes sense that if a visitor clicks on the image, that it would take them to the post. And let's click Apply All Displays. And if we scroll down, we're going to see two titles, but not images. Now this is because some of our posts include images, some of them don't. If we click 2 here in order to go to the next page, we see our image resized here. Okay, good. So now let's add the body of our blog post. So I'll scroll up to Fields, I'll click Add. Let's do a search for body. Okay, here we go. This is what we want. We'll check it. Click Apply All Displays. We'll uncheck Create a Label, just like we have before. We'll leave the formatter at the default, which will include the text format we have set for this content, and we'll click Apply All Displays. So this will display the entire content. If we scroll down and take a look, and we go to the second page here, then you see that we have the image and the content.